Still on Erica and Kiddwaya relationship, Kiddwaya finally reveals why he can't have a relationship with Erica outside the house.
We never talk about anything like being with me or seeing me, so how am I supposed to? My thing is right for me.
Because me giving you more, showing you more of a side of me, or like me lying to you because I've made my mind up about you, yeah.
Bbnaija housemate Kiddwaya has dashed the hopes of those rooting for a relationship between him and Erica outside the house. The housemates are known as the strongest couple in the house. Erica on Wednesday night asked Kiddwaya of his plans for her outside the house. Kiddwaya responding said he has no plan of relationship outside the house and would see her just like every other housemate. Giving reason, the billionaire's son said his life at the moment is very difficult to bring girls in and that he needs to be independent before having any relationship. Kiddwaya said, "Someone can show you one side of their life. If you're smart enough, you will depict the other side. I don't want to make promises to you on what will happen outside the house. I will see you when I'm in Lagos. We hang out with housemates. I have my reasons for not giving you more, and this is me doing what I feel is right for me and you. There are millions of guys out there for you, and everyone is different. Me showing you more of my life would lead you on, and I don't want to be lying to you. Even if I show you the other side of me, you wouldn't believe me. My life is very difficult to bring girls in. I'm not ready because I need to be more independent. I don't know what the future holds or fate." This Kiddwaya is a bad guy. See as he's stylishly making Erica realize that outside the house we are nothing. We are not going to be together. He's stylishly dumping Erica. Okay guys, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know in the comment section below.